Hi, everyone. My name is Cindy Landis. I am going to be the new art teacher at Bremen and Pleasantville this year. I previously taught at Pleasantville. I taught third grade for about 20 years. So I'm looking forward to this new adventure, being able to use my creativity and to help your students use their creativity and imagination to create lots of art this year. Just a little bit of background on myself. I have a bachelor's degree from Slippery Rock University, which is in Slippery Rock, Pennsylvania. I also have a master's degree from the University of Dayton. I'm married, and my husband is also a teacher in Bexley City Schools. He teaches phys ed and is a coach for cross country and track. I have two adult children. My oldest, my daughter Hannah, is a kindergarten teacher at Bremen. So I'm really looking forward to being able to teach in the same building as her this year. And then my son is a college student, and he is currently doing industrial design at the Columbus College of Art and Design. He'll be a junior there this year. So I'm just really, really excited this year to be able to have your students and to do something a little bit different than I've done for the last 20 or so years. So please contact me with any questions, and looking forward to a great year. Thank you.